Hello, Bunny Squad. Today we're going to read a book.
Today we are going to read on me.
Aww. Masha and the Bear. Too much porridge. Look at Masha. Why is her porridge pink? Pink color porridge.
How to make pink color porridge?
I wonder. Wow. Ooh. Let's get into it. Alright. It was a nice, quiet day. Bear was in his living room. He wanted to play a game. Look, what is he playing, Evan? Chess. This is a game called chess.
This the mommy or daddy?
No, it's just Bear. His name is Bear. Okay? So what about Bear? Then Masha and Hare, okay? This is Masha and Hare, came to Bear's house. Bear, we're hungry, said Masha. What can we eat? Masha and Hare is hungry. They went to Bear's house. Bear was not happy. He wanted to play his game. Bear quickly got a pot of porridge. See, Bear made the porridge. Then he took his game and went outside. He really wants to play the game. See, he sneaked outside with his game. Masha looked at the porridge. Yuck! I don't like Bear's old porridge, she said. Let's cook some new porridge. It doesn't look good. Masha didn't like the old porridge. So, what she's gonna do? First, she put some hot water in a very big pot. Wow, look. She can barely reach the pot. How is she jumping and try to pour the water in the pot? Is that what she's doing? And she put lots and lots of oats in the pot. That's a lot of oats, Masha. Oops. Then Eileen wants milk. Then Masha added lots and lots of jam. Wow, that's a lot of jam. No wonder her porridge turns pink. And then she added lots and lots of milk. Wow, what is the porridge gonna taste like? Masha cooked the porridge. And now the porridge was pink from the jam. Oh wow, said Masha. Pink porridge. Let's taste it. Masha put some of the pink porridge in a bowl. Then she ate the porridge. I like pink porridge, said Masha. How about you, Evan? Do you like pink porridge? Funny. Then Masha looked at the pot of porridge. Oh no, she said. There was too much porridge in the pot. Uh-oh, it's spilling over. Now what happened?
Can you put this here?
So Masha ran to the pot. Masha ran to the pot. She put some porridge in her bowl. Look, more porridge for Masha. Then Masha found every pot and bowl in the kitchen. She put the porridge in them. So she filled up the porridge, the spilling over porridge in every pot and pan. Masha gave some porridge to Hare. Now, he was very fat. Okay, he ate too much. Masha gave some porridge to Hedgehog, Squirrel, and the wolves too. Now they were all very fat. Oh look, there's so much porridge everywhere. Then Bear came home. Bear is surprised. Oh no, there was lots and lots of pink porridge in the kitchen. Bear was angry. Masha had to clean Bear's kitchen. So messy now. Then Bear's kitchen was clean again. Wow, look, Masha cleaned it all. Bear, I'm tired and hungry now. What can I eat? Masha said. There was lots and lots of pink porridge, of course. Bear said. Why don't you eat the pink porridge? Oh, and that's the end. Hope you like this book.
Mommy.